Oh my god, they messed up our flight tickets.
What do you mean?
It says we're boarding at 17:25. Don't they know there's only 12 numbers on a clock?
Oh, it's military time. It's a 24-hour clock. We board at 5:25 p.m.
Oh! This is why I hate baking.
What do you mean?
You see how the recipe says 2 cups of sugar? Don't they know every cup is different? Like, which cup do I use?
Are you sure you know where we're going?
Yes, I know how to read directions, okay? We're supposed to turn east here.
Go on.
Never eat shredded wheat. This way.